Good evening. I was told that this was the mid-afternoon luncheonette.
Sir, Mr. Ben Carlson, you have been brought in front of this congressional committee to answer questions about HUD and how you're running it into the ground.
Well, I'm not running it into the ground at all. I don't know what you speak of. I was actually very aggressively pressed by a woman named, I don't know, I think Otto Porter or something of that nature, regarding Oreos.
No, it was not about Oreos, it was REOs.
No, but you see, that is what happens when you walk into a room and you think you're the smartest person in the room. When I walk into a room, I am actually the smartest person in the room. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever replaced the brain of a chipmunk?
I have not.
Then therefore you should seat your buttocks on that chair.
Reclaiming my time. Reclaiming my time. You're going to answer these questions about HUD.
Okay, so
Sir, do you even know the basic elements of real estate?
I do.
What is a condo?
A condo is a prophylactic. You put it on top of your penis in order to prevent pregnancy.
Sir.
It's also a point guard that used to play for the Baltimore.
Sir, this is not comic view. There's no time for your jokes and your shenanigans and your chacoonery.
I'm being very serious when I say these things.
Sir, what is a co-op?
I take my job very seriously. It is a beautiful housing development in the Bronx, which I helped develop myself back in 1997.
Sir, you do know the bare fundamentals of home ownership.
That is absolutely false. I'm a neurosurgeon. I know everything about everything. I can open your brain and take your thoughts and put them inside
what is a
mine.
reverse mortgage?
A reverse mortgage is when you take out a mortgage, but you're also playing the game of Uno. Are you familiar with the game of Uno, the card game?
I am.
Then you do your mortgage, and then you put down the reverse card. That is a reverse mortgage, sir. Is there any other foolish questions you would like to ask me?
Turkey. Would you like to issue a finishing statement? Because you've just wasted our time and America's time.
Yes, I would like to clarify my statements from yesterday. I fully understood what the gentle lady was saying. All I meant to say was that we have a surplus of Oreo cookies in this country. They are very durable. They are also vegan. So what I am going to do as the head of HUD is build low-income housing using this surplus of Oreo cookies. The cream makes excellent mortar. I bet you did not even know that, because you know why? Because you are dumb as shit, boy. And I am Ben Boston. I am the smartest motherfucker in this room. Please do not ever disrespect me and summon me into this chamber of fools ever again. Candy, get the strap. Where's the lady that was talking spicy yesterday? Candy, you know what to do. I ain't even got to say it. I'm above this shit. I'm untouchable. I'm under the Trumpito regime. And niggas can suck my dick from the back. To quote the illustrious Bodega Boys. And also, I'm a master of segues, and I will say, this is episode 160. Do the motherfucking drop, stupid.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Episode 160, Bodega Boys.
Yeah.
Most dangerous podcast in America, in the universe, in the Milky Way. We actually checked through the Hubble telescope. There's no other podcast or intelligent life out there.
Yep, we went into that black hole, the black hole that just developed. We went into that shit. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, bro.
Like, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, well, we did in 05. You know, it was like...
Oh, no, not that.
Oh.
The one in space.
Oh, not the one in the West Village?
No. The one in space that we just discovered.
Fam, when I walked in there, they was whipping niggas, and then they had like those black gloves and all the Vaseline and shit.
I was like,
but then it was also open bar, so I was like, I'm going to say an hour.
Yeah, let's feel it out. Let's
that's
see what
right.
happens.
You listen, you aliens.
You know what I'm saying?
We will put our podcast up against anything your
what I'm saying?
Race and civilization has developed.
That's right.
Okay?
You know what I'm saying?
We will, for all of humanity, this podcast.
You know what I mean?
Against your little itsy-bitsy planet and your interstellar travel.
That's right. That's like when fucking Will Smith headbutted the alien in Independence Day, nigga.
That's right.
That's what this podcast is.
That's
it's
right.
Will Smith's forehead.
We galaxy banging on y'all, all right? Milky
Right.
Way, you know what it is? MW, nigga, over here. All right? Little M,
I'm
Big
saying,
Dipper. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Ursa Majora, nigga.
That's right.
What's up?
Yeah, our sun might burn out. So what? We got Nike Steam Techs.
Yeah,
we
and
good.
and we got them Big Dippers.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
The
If
big
you know
dippers.
if you know what I mean.
The Big Dippers. You know what I'm saying?
Don't get smacked
Don't
out
get
here.
hit out in the nebula.
You know what I'm saying?
Make them rings come around you like
That's right.
Like Jupiter? Jupiter has rings?
Saturn.
Saturn.
Yeah,
Saturn has rings.
yeah.
Do
You
they,
know
what
what I'm
happened
saying?
to Saturn cars? Are those still a thing?
Nah, they're completely out of production.
What?
Yeah, dog. So if you got a Saturn, you got dead stock. Saturn View.
What? Saturn? All new production was halted October 7th, 2009.
Yeah, my nigga.
Wow, that was a while ago.
If you see a motherfucker out there,
Saturn. Damn, you going through some things.
yo, he got a Yankee sticker on it too. Like, yo,
Yeah, it was a good year, bro.
World Series champs, bro.
I bought this the next day. Damn, recipe Saturn.
Yeah.
Damn, how a car company go out of business?
Yeah, listen, it happens all the time, bro.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying?
I remember in my old neighborhood, there was this lady, she opened a greeting card store. But instead of selling greeting cards for the whole year, they only sold greeting cards for whatever holiday was coming up. So when they opened in, like, I want to say Halloween, shit was popping because, you know, Halloween. Yeah. Then they had like Thanksgiving decorations and shit.
Christmas.
Boom, bam, bing. We out here.
You know what I'm saying?
Three Kings Day.
Yeah,
we got that.
Yeah.
Yo, Martin Luther King Day.
You know what
Gotta
I'm
get your
saying?
Martin Luther King cards.
Gotta get some cards out. You know what I'm saying? Some chocolates.
Valentine's Day.
We
We
back.
back.
Niggas in a black boy dance in the store and shit. Like,
Niggas roll around the money. Then they're like,
all right, now what?
Gosh and Bagora, St. Patrick's Day.
April. What's in April? April Fool's Day. I got your card. We got your card, but it's nothing in it.
May,
it fooled you.
May, Jesus Mero birthday. By July 4th, they're selling pit bulls and firecrackers. I was like, you didn't think this shit through. What's we celebrate in August? Who sends Labor Day cards? Did
you get a Memorial Day card in the mail?
No,
I did not.
All right. Who still sends greeting cards? Are weird because if someone sends you a greeting card, it's like, oh wow, now I'm under pressure because I can't just send you back an e-greeting or some shit.
Yeah, like yo, you took all the fun.
And it's
out
just
of it.
like they're just like putting pressure on you. They're like, no, I went to the store, I bought a greeting card, an envelope, and a stamp. My nigga, when was the last time you put something in the mailbox?
Fam, I don't.
Do you even know where the nearest mailbox to you is?
I do not. I do not even know. All I know is I fucking put my outgoing mail in the mailbox and I put the little flag up and homie takes the shit. That's all I know. But
yo, I was at the bodega the other day and this guy was acting very suspicious and Poppy was like, yo, what's up with him? And the guy was like, yo, you can skip me. And I was like, what's this angle?
What's this about?
So I pretended I was counting my change and I was like listening to the conversation and he was like, let me get a stamp. And I was like, oh,
you just embarrassed.
He's just embarrassed.
He's just wild embarrassed.
This nigga sending shit via the Pony Express.
God damn, this nigga uses snail mail.
Wow. This nigga sending it intercontinental in 3 to 4 days. Wow.
Damn, man, this nigga got a fucking certified mail receipt. Wow.
Oh, you doing it big.
Oh, wow. You big balling, big baby?
I think I lost I used to have a P.O. box on that one at 34th Street, and they sent me a letter. They was like, yo, that shit gone, dog.
Like, yo,
I'm like, all right.
Did you forget about this shit, nigga?
You know what? They have mad rules, and like you can't just get anything sent there. It has to, whatever you get sent there has to match your name. So like, I had it under my government name. I can't get Desus Nice shit there.
True.
They'd be like, you got a government ID that says Desus Nice? I don't think so.
Okay, so then,
I'm not getting out my chair.
Bloop.
Next, period. Back to City Girls.
They don't give a fuck, too. They say next and they erase you from existence. Like next, you can be like, yo, but what?
Next,
but
it's like when Thanos snaps his fingers, you just turn into dust. You're like,
so yo, but what?
Next,
but what?
I don't feel so. And that little light comes on, like next window,
motherfucker.
It's like Amtrak employees, but then you forget Amtrak employees are not like post office employees, so they have to kind of be nice to you. Yeah. But they're nice to the point they're like, I'm nice because I'm choosing to be nice. Don't get it twisted, nigga.
Motherfucker, I'm nice because I work for a private company.
Okay.
All right.
Shout out to all my Amtrak employees at the Center Street in Philly. Because when you gotta move a ticket and shit, they'll move a ticket, but they make you feel bad about it. They was like, oh, you didn't think this through before you purchased your ticket?
Oh, word?
Oh, your train leaving 5 minutes, so now the rush is on me.
Oh, now it's my turn.
Looking you straight in the face while they changing the ticket, like. And you have your ID and your credit card out there, like, it's already on the card. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You can take that back. I don't need that.
Motherfucker.
At all.
I'm going back to this compilation of Allen Iverson highlights.
Excuse me.
Bye.
If you knew better, you would do better.
She's also braiding like Beanie Siegel's hair and shit.
Yo, actually, you better run because you're going to about to miss your train, motherfucker. You have to cross over that fucking track. Stupid.
Tracks.
We
need to create a club called Tracks. And everything is like train themed.
Oh.
Not like sex trains, but like locomotives and stuff.
Like choo-choo trains?
But you can also get weaves put in.
Oh, shit, yeah. Oh.
Inclusive.
Yo, you know what it is? Because they have so many. There's like, I've seen like 3 or 4 different commercials for barbershops for niggas like to go watch basketball and shit and get the haircut, which is
that sounds like
basically
the worst way to watch basketball.
Yeah, like fam, I would rather be high on my couch in my Olas.
I would rather listen to it on AM radio.
Yo,
I would rather watch basketball by having it read to me via Magic Johnson tweets. Magic Johnson tweets are the LaCroix of basketball reporting.
Klay Thompson had 45 points at the half. He's playing an incredible game of basketball. And playing very good defense.
I expect the Warriors to win in 4 because they have better jerseys.
You're like, what?
You're like, what? It's like, what?
I don't understand. What is the logic, Magic? He's like, hey, don't question me because I'm a top 10 player of all time. Motherfucker.
He was. Can't take that away from him.
He was. He's like, I have no regrets. Niggas did an interview. They were like, yo, do you regret the way you handled the whole situation? Like, just calling the media and not telling LeBron, not telling the ownership? He's like, I have no regrets.
None, Magic?
I have no regret.
None whatsoever.
Let me tell you something. At one time.
Yeah.
You know,
now I'm not talking about no tattoo that says no regrets.
Yeah, nah. I mean,
you know what I'm talking about, Mike.
Yeah, I should probably not have hit that vagina raw dog, but you know what it is? You know, it's Hollywood, baby.
It's Hollywood.
It was Showtime Lakers.
It's Magic, and I just did the hot pass, and I just passed it off.
Man. And I had the short shorts on too, and they could see the mule, so it was like, it was bound to happen.
Oh, wow. While that is problematic, congrats to us.
Yeah.
Making it this far in the podcast without talking about porn.
Facts.
This is
it's been like a hot 15 minutes.
Listen, our podcast, I was listening to our last podcast through the TV out loud because I am a narcissist. And man, listen, that is a filthy fucking podcast. And I know my neighbors think I won't want to say insane because that's probably that's ableist slur. But to hear me say a joke and then to hear me laugh at the joke inside my apartment, you're going to be like, what the hell's going on in there?
Yo.
And then you just hear like rewind and I'll just listen to it again. Like, just say to my cat, like, these niggas is funny.
Yo, this shit slap.
This shit funny. Know these niggas are like.
Yo, it's gotten to the point where niggas don't even got to retweet shit. I'm just like, yo, I'll be like a day late with the retweet on the pod. I'm like, yo, niggas know what time it is, bro.
Shout out to
It's like Game of Thrones.
Shout out to Diana. She's the queen of the she's the queen of the digital realm that is the Bodega Files now.
Rocking.
Okay,
you know what I'm
she's
saying?
uploading it, so now I don't have to carry the laptop to a weird location. I remember I was uploading. It was like some show. I was talking on a panel with Soledad O'Brien, and it was like a BuzzFeed, and I was asking for the Wi-Fi password because I had to upload the podcast. And she was like, "What are you doing?" And I was like, "I'm uploading the podcast." She was like, "You shouldn't be doing that." And I was like, "I can't delegate this to anyone else." She was like, "You have to learn to do that." So shout out to you, Soledad. That was good life advice.
You know what I'm saying?
It's like Diddy says, because remember Steve Harvey was like, "Rich people don't sleep," and Diddy said he's rich because all he wants to do is pay people, so he's allowed to sleep.
Yep.
He can pay people to do shit he doesn't want to do. And that is the goal of life.
Eliminate the tedium. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying?
There it is.
I tell it, yo, I'm telling you, man.
There you go.
Listen, I told my entire family the whole time, I'm like, yo, listen, I didn't do this shit just because I wanted to do it.
He ain't do this to push a rap for.
You know what I'm saying? I did this shit so I could sleep till fucking noon, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? And wake up and eat breakfast.
Or 7 p.m. in some cases.
You know what I'm saying?
Sometimes I wake up, I have no idea. I can't, because it's like dusk, and I'm like, is it dawn? What the fuck is going on? My dog is just like, yo, fam, I missed like 4 walks. He's like, yo, I used the handy app, and like someone took me already.
Yo, I'm ready to go, but you know what I'm saying?
Nah, my dog is like, he's just be like, yo, don't. He's just like, yo, I got this. I got you. Yo, you sleep a little. I'll see you later.
I see you later.
I just hear the door slam and shit. I'm like, what the fuck?
Where did nigga go? You see a nigga throw his coat on and shit? Like,
Throwing coat, put on my AirPods and shit.
Yo.
This nigga got on my fucking Yeezys?
Nah, I got a little joint, you know what I'm saying, down Pelham Bay Park, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to go see her, you know what I mean?
Nigga take the wild pause at my front door. He's like running in place while he sets the Apple Watch to open walk. gotta fill my circles.
You look out the window, niggas on a city bike. Like, yo, what the fuck?
It's a great form of transportation, and it's good for you. I'm like, this nigga living, you know what, fuck it. The other day, I wanted a blunt so bad, my nigga. And I was so lazy. I couldn't do it.
Yeah.
I couldn't physically get up and roll the blunt.
It's happened.
So sad.
Yeah.
So sad. But yet also the reason why my parents came here from Jamaica.
That's right.
So I could be a lazy lima bean.
That's right. We out here, nigga. It's showtime.
It's true.
Yo, I seen like a quarter. You know when you have like, when you look at like a half a blunt in your ashtray, you're like, yo, that'll do the trick.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And you're like, I don't.
It ain't enough. Ain't enough.
And then I did it and I was just like, man. And then I was just like,
you know what's
sitting
worse?
like,
You got the half a blunt and then you got the full blunt. And you're like, all right, you know what? I'm gonna smoke the full blunt and I'm gonna hit the half a blunt later. But the full blunt do it. But then you kind of smoke half the full blunts. Now you got 2 half blunts.
Yeah, you're like,
and you're like, all right, so that's a full blunt. But 2 half blunts is not a full blunt. It's not a full blunt. I don't know what the magic behind that. I don't know what the science is.
No.
But 2 half blunts never equals a full blunt.
Never, bro.
And it's sad.
Because you never get to that sweet spot. Like when you first light it, it's like whack because you like burn a little bit of paper and shit.
But then when you get
like
when you get to the
3-4 pulls
greenery,
in,
yeah, woo.
That shit is flowing.
You flying.
And you just like, damn. Woo, this shit's some gas.
You know what I'm saying? You hit that middle and you just like, you exhale and it be like, woo.
Yeah.
You be like,
It's you, ganja, like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss weed.
that's how you really be there like dancing by yourself. People look at you like, is he alright?
Is he good?
She's like, yo,
Like, nah, nigga, I just got a blunt, bro. I just flexes backward.
and your brain come out with like, the brain's like, oh shit. We're on. Say the wildest thing you could think of right now. It's a wild, like they just got like they go in the vault. Yo, wild shit. They're like, yo. Rebecca Cunningham from Tailspin had a child, but there was no other single niggas in Cape Suzette, so you know she had the wild yanking pussy.
Yo,
and you
word.
say like,
yo, on the low,
that's true.
Baloo is Kid's dad, and he feels guilty.
That's why he works to stay
That's
around.
why he wants to sit. He always keeps him around. You know what I'm saying? He don't want to tell him no. You know what I'm saying? Because like that's his man's wifey and shit.
They
and
should reboot Sex in the City, but have Cardi B be Carrie Bradshaw. Cardi B.
Cardi
Bradshaw.
CB. Wow, Carrie B.
Wow.
Yo, like, I was like,
DK, if he was talking to me, is he stupid talking to other bitches? Because I fuck him up. That nigga think I'm stupid.
Like, that nigga's crazy because, like, I told him, like, yo, my nigga, like, tell me your fucking, like, I'm gonna call you Mr. Big and whatever, but, like, you gotta tell me your real name and shit. Like,
AM Weekly.
Hello.
She's doing the room. She was in a nice part of the Bronx.
Love.
AKA Tilden Towers.
Love of the Bronx.
You know?
Yeah.
Mr. Big is played by Nasby, someone from the Bronx.
Oh, sure, yeah.
Fat Joe.
Oh, yeah, gotta be Fat Joe. Yeah. He looks like a Mr. Big.
Yo, Cardi, no, that's Jay.
He's like, Cardi, what's good? I'm trying to smash though. Like, for real. Like, you really playing games and I'm not feeling it. Yo, but I'm saying, like, for real, like, I got my blog shit going and it's like really popping. Like, I got my column and weekly. Like, I know you're doing your thing and you got longevity and shit, but like, I'm really popping right now. And I wear the most fire outfits ever in the game. Like, what's really good.
Do you think that you look like Panthro from Thundercats?
People have told my cousin that all the time.
Yeah, you do.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh wow.
People told my cousin that all the time, but I'm like,
This Panthro ass nigga.
We do result. I resemble my cousin. So
is Panthro Dominican?
He might be.
Look at his eyes.
Pantro.
His eyes are orange off that Brugal.
Yo, Pantro.
What's his backstory? Did he abandon the family?
Yo, he left DR and shit, like to play baseball and shit, and then like
wow, listen to his personality. A jovial soul. However, he is also quick to lose his temper. He's Dominican. He is Dominican.
Yo, Pantro Rodriguez. Oh my god.
Oh, so many secret Dominicans.
Yo, they're everywhere, bro.
Oh man,
they're everywhere. I'm gonna find them.
We gotta get like some funding, and you just do like you know how they had Keep Your Eyes on the Prize? You just do the wild, serious documentary on PBS, Ken Burns style of secret Dominicans. For all my teachers out there that don't really want, all my teachers, I know what it is now. Because as a child, I was like, damn. Oh, Miss Leibowitz she doesn't feel so good. Oh, didn't realize Miss Leibowitz had fucking down the hatch riding the fucking buffalo until like 2 a.m. on Thursday, coming on Friday like, kids, we're gonna watch a movie today.
Yeah. It's movie day.
Yeah.
You guys have done so well all week.
Yeah, you earned this.
You earned it. We're gonna watch Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2, Secret of the Ooze.
You know what? As two people who are popping and very successful, I say this because you people might not ever realize this. Nothing in your life is as popping as the pizza parties you have as a child.
Oh my god!
Do you know what it was like? The build up to it. You couldn't sleep the night before and shit. You might have had to like sign a permission slip.
Yo, nigga.
Maybe even like what kind of slices do you want? Are you team pepperoni?
Yo,
what in human life when you're an adult, even like buying a new fridge? No, that's not fun.
Nah.
Buying a house is like, all right, I got a house,
I got a new house shit, but then it's like work
party,
attached.
nigga.
When you're an adult, it's like you get cool shit like pizza parties, but then you got to do work. A pizza party when you're a kid, it's just like, yo, pull up, nigga, we got you.
Fam, at my nephew's birthday party, like they had a gourmet chef for the adults and shit. All the kids was like, this is supposed to be pizza. This is supposed to be pizza. And I was like, the pizza's coming. Yo, your man pulled up with 8, not my choice.
8
friend
pies?
of the family, 8 Papa John's pies.
Woo.
You would have thought you would have thought he invented Fortnite and YouTube.
Oh,
the way those kids,
God.
one kid was like fucking screaming, like beating a Bible against himself. I was like, wow, he is the coolest person. And I'm like, yo, I got a TV show.
Yo, what up?
What up?
I got merch.
Premium cable over here.
Yo.
And we going on tour. We gonna be in Miami. What's up?
Yo, you want a hat?
They was like, fuck you, man. He got that box with the weird little table in the middle. So
do you have garlic dipping sauce? No, fuck you. You're not popping.
we gotta make there's already a pizzeria in the Bronx. No, shout out to Nobody's Pizza. They got that. What can we need to make what is a traditional Bronx? No. You know, because you know what? I'm thinking small. I gotta think big. Gotta think big money.
Yeah, big money.
How can we cash out on the gentrification of the Bronx? We make an artisanal chopped cheese place that only has chopped cheeses, but the chopped cheese is like $15, $16. And every ingredient you add is like $2 extra.
Yeah.
So the base chopped cheese sandwich is at the minimum
like gotta be like $15.
$15. That's just
minimum.
Just the bread and the cheese. You want the bread toasted? $1. A little butter on the bread before you toast it? Extra $1. Adobo on the spicy.
It's like a toppings bar, bro.
Yeah.
Throw jalapeno. You want jalapeno?
Guac.
You want guac?
You want Swiss? You want government cheese?
You want a little Gruyere?
By the time you're done, we're talking with a drink. The easy $27.
Easy. And we get nigga, what? And we give them niggas. We put the Coca-Cola machine up and pour mad tropical fantasy into the shit, like gas them up. Yeah.
Make your own tropical fantasy, aka Nutbusters.
That's right.
Shout out to Nutbusters.
Remember the Nutbusters?
Let's go over a little oral history of tropical fantasy. Actually, no, we don't have to go Wikipedia. We lived it. Here's what happened. Tropical fantasy came out in like I want to say the 90s, and it took over the hood.
Yep.
Because it was made in New York and people loved it.
And it was 20 ounces and it was for 50 cents. And it's like, yo,
we was like, this is great. All summer we drinking them.
You know what I'm saying?
And then Coke and Pepsi was like, yeah, they're taking away all our profits. Yeah.
Let's make up a fucking fake story. Oh, guess what?
Hold on, wait.
What was it, Yellow 5?
We need a proper music for this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're making a little too much money in the hood.
Yeah. Pepsi, how do we handle this here?
Yeah, see. The thing I'm seeing is a lot of the dark-skinned people, they're enjoying the tropical fantasy.
Yeah, we got to get them back on our side.
Let's ruin their fantasy.
Yeah.
Let's say that,
Yeah.
What if one certain KKK was putting birth control in the sodas?
That's right.
Yeah.
It's a great story.
And we'll tell them that they're called nutbusters.
Because they bust your nuts.
Yeah.
And you can't have babies.
Yeah, it's a wrap for them. Yeah.
They'll have no choice but to come back to us.
Back to Coke. Coke is it. Pepsi's it. We run the world. We're going to kill them the way we killed R.C. Cola.
That's right. Truce.
Yeah. Truce. Yeah.
Let's get him out of here. Monopoly.
Okay. Soda Wars coming to Broadway.
You know what I'm saying?
We got to get Lin-Manuel on
You know
that.
what I'm saying?
But yeah, and then they had Nutbuster. It got so bad in New York City, David Dinkins had to drink a tropical fantasy at a press conference to reassure New York that it was safe to drink them. Yep. But the problem was at that time, David Dinkins was not that popular. And I was like, oh, this nigga's stupid. Because I think at the time, like, I don't know if it was before or after there was like the Crown Heights riots or whatever.
Yep.
And he kept going to play golf. So like the photo ops was bad because like half the city was like rioting. He's in his tennis whites with a tennis
like,
racket.
Hey guys, with a caddy and shit, like, yo, chopping it up,
He
smiling.
was like, you know, I need you guys to realize it's all love. Like, no. And then Giuliani got his drunk cops and they were in front of Gracie Mansion calling him nigger. And I was like, wow.
I
was like, okay.
That's how you do it. That's how you give it up. Okay.
That's that old New York.
Shout out
Okay.
to Prosciutto out there,
to-
front and center, like, man.
Yeah. They were calling him a butler. Listen, when white people get racist, they be when white people get racist, they be putting out the triple word score.
Oh my god.
They be looking for Scrabble tiles underneath the couch.
They
like,
get mad creative, dog.
Take that, you fucking Gogurt.
Yeah, they pull out a fucking.
You know why I call you a Gogurt?
Why?
Because your fruit's at the bottom.
Oh.
Yeah, you're just like, what?
What?
But then it fucks with you all day. You're just like, what?
My fruit is at the bottom.
Like, I know for a fact there are people out there and they call me and you a couple of bacon, egg, and cheeses.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
100%.
Get these fucking bacon, egg, and cheeses out of here.
Look at these fucking.
Get these fucking Timbs out of
Yeah.
here.
Look at these fucking Newport 100s over here.
100s. Yeah.
Look at them. Smug. Having a number one show on late night.
Number one show.
Fucking doing things, doing podcasts, doing video podcasts. You know what I'm saying?
Doing live tours, selling merch.
It's disgusting.
Disgusting.
Ugh. Just hanging out with celebrities and shit. Fucking piece of
Random
garbage.
shit. Who's the most popular celebrity we've hung out with lately? Our own selves. Ha, trick question, bro.
I was gonna say, damn, we're gonna hurt somebody's feelings and shit.
Nah, like, because it's not like we it's not like we're celebrities now. Like, sorry, like we second year in a row, Yankee Stadium. You know what I'm saying? Charity back. Got the wild DMs. People just like, yo, what you guys are doing for the Bronx is so great. You know what I'm saying? So proud of you guys. It's like watching my sons grow, even though I'm only 19. I was like, they go back to school.
Stop playing.
Yeah.
Don't try to do this.
It's like in Jackass. It's like, do not try to do this at home.
Yeah, no, we will not view any submissions.
I heard that and I was like, for real? Because I just got my boys and we got a shopping cart full of barbed wire. We was about to do some dumb shit.
Yo, we about to roll shit down Broadway, nigga. Thank you for the heads
Jackass
up.
had you trying dumb shit like, because I'm like, if they didn't die, I'm not going to die.
I'm not gonna die. And then you forget the Yakubians and that's what they do.
I wanted to do a urban version of Jackass with like subway surfing, riding on top of elevators and shit, running from the cops, hopping off of rooftops, wild shit like that. Yeah. No.
Yeah.
MTV was like, yeah.
I don't
MTV
know.
was like, we don't even like Jackass. So,
Yeah, so no.
But then shout
Like,
out,
yo, run across Tremont on a green light.
oh, wow. We had a game we used to play on 233rd. Shout out to the block. It was called No Brakes. And basically, you'd ride as fast as you could down the hill, and then you make a sharp left. And
No brakes.
You just shoot across the intersection. You can't use your brakes. Yeah. And you had to go when the light was red facing you, and the light was green for traffic coming and going. I did it twice. That was the scariest shit ever. But you know when you do dumb shit in the hood and you're terrified, but when you live through it, you're like, yeah, nigga,
Yeah,
what's
I
up?
did that.
What's up?
Oh, you're not gonna do it?
Oh,
you pussy.
Let's get out of here. Let's go to the bodega. Your last one to the bodega sucks wild
So
dick.
nigga. Fuck out of here.
Like, why?
Why?
You ever, like, I remember saying that as a kid. We mentioned it in the last podcast. But as an adult, hearing people say that now, I'm like, what the fuck is...
Sir.
I'm like, it's 4 p.m.
Stop.
It is 4 p.m. What's wrong with you?
What is wrong with you guys? Come on.
Some little, like, this girl couldn't be more than, like, 16. I'm walking Mac the other day. She was like, this nigga was fucking me from the back and blowing my shit out. I was like,
excuse me.
I turned into a Grand Theft Auto dancer. I was like, But then I was
Yeah,
like, these kids out here fucking at 16.
And
And the little angel on my shoulder in the Vanson jacket was like, so was we.
So was you, nigga.
So was we, nigga.
Yeah, what the fuck you thinking?
wrong with
What
you?
the fuck you thought we was doing at them hooky parties, nigga?
Nigga. Nigga, you didn't go to school for a whole year. I'm like, oh, that's true.
Like, yo,
That's true.
Angel on my shoulders like, nigga, you was 16 fucking bitches in Fordham.
I'm like,
fuck
all
is
right,
wrong with you?
shh. Matter of fact, where's your dating a third year? I'm like, all right, you know what?
You know what?
You
That's
being
enough.
real loud.
You're doing a lot.
You're being real loud, okay?
You're making it hot.
Because she was 30, but she had the mentality of a 25-year-old. Also, she couldn't eat fried chicken. It was weird. It was very weird.
Yeah.
Also, she was one of the few women in my lives to ever tell me, when you get to my building, just stick your finger in a hole. The lock is broken. And I was like, guess who's bringing the burner?
Oh,
Guess
wow.
who's bringing the gas? Hey! Yeah, because she lived by Bronx Zoo?
Yeah,
Nah.
There's too many RP murals over there for nigga to not be.
You know what? They're not even RP murals. They're unfinished. This just got space for a head and a name. Like, let's do it. Like, you go and you spray paint your face and your name before you go visit a chick.
Niggas got templates. Niggas got templates for the RP mural.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. This shit is out of control.
Man.
Goddamn.
Is there a service for getting, like, how do you get a RP mural? We need to set up an app. For people, another app,
Yeah.
For people who haven't done anything of note to get a, but if you
RP
just want
mural.
one,
Yeah. You just get an RP mural.
and you just tell us where you want it, and we just do it wherever. Like, that's on you. You got to get permission first. But if I get a notification that says you got permission to get an RIP mural on the side of the Apple Store, you know what I'm saying? Listen, that's what's gonna happen.
You know what I'm saying? We got you.
We got you.
You know what I'm saying?
They come out like, oh, you got a permit? I was like, no Español, no English.
No, they tell me painting here, so
No.
I painting here.
You know. Or even better, what could we do?
Muraler.
Muraler? Muraler?
MURLR? Muraler. I feel like that's. I feel like that's.
There should be a New York way of disposing for real New Yorkers, like to go out in a final bang.
Yeah.
Like, how can we do it? Like,
If New Yorkers going to final bang. Oh, we throw you in front of a train. You know what I'm saying? And then we just get strap hangers to come out and cuss you out.
But you know what? Let's think outside the box. You bring your TT dies. Your family gets dressed up. You guys got like. You know, I don't think your family does this. But you got like this, like the fucking Mexican guitars and shit. What's that movie that just came out with everyone cries when they see it? That's bad colorful about Day of the Dead or some shit.
Oh yeah. Shit. It just won mad Oscars, right? Roma
Pito or something.
Is it Roma?
No, then current movie. It's called Pito, Book of Life, Coco. That's right. So now you recreate Coco.
Yeah.
And you very carefully carry your TT down the steps.
I'll be like, I'm in love with the Coco.
And the train comes into the station. And rather than throwing her body in front of the train, you throw her on our new modified garbage train.
Oh, wow.
Where every hour we stop at different stops and we respectfully pick up your dead loved ones.
Oh, shit.
This is like, yo, garbage train coming through. Yo, throw that old bitch on here.
Yo, son, yo.
Niggas come out with you get back garbage bags, like throwing them in.
Yo,
throw your
son.
TT in.
Yo, I hope this nigga not too fat, yo, because, yo, we got a weight
this
limit.
bitch was eating math whalers. Yo, this shit. Oh, wow.
Yo, wow, your uncle was dumb fat, my nigga.
Niggas don't even put him on the fucking train right. The fucking head is dinging on the side of the fucking pillars and
Every
shit.
pillar, like, ping dong, ping dong. Like, yo, what y'all about to do with my thing? Yo, we making a compost heap, nigga, in Staten Island.
Yo,
we gonna turn
shit.
Staten Island into a whole hot compost heap.
We using all these people to shore up the walls in the second line train because there's been some leakage.
That's right.
All right.
So don't get no, you know what I'm saying? You smell something funny, just cover your nose. This has been announced by the MTA. Please enjoy your ride.
Also, I don't want to, allegedly, but Impossible Burger is made from dead people. I'm sorry to tell you people this. There's absolutely no. Come on.
It's dirt.
It's dead people.
It's dirt. It's
dead people with foreskins.
It's decomposed dead
Okay.
people. Yeah.
Oh, I have a plant based grain or whatever that tastes just like meat, and it doesn't hurt the environment to make. Nigga, I don't give a shit about the environment. Nigga, I will punch a cow in his motherfucking face for a steak.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
It's not a game out here.
All right.
Bro, get the fuck out of here with your fucking.
Guess what? If I eat a hamburger and that shit takes 500 gallons of water to create, guess whose problem that is? Not
not my
mine,
problem. It's
not
the ocean.
his,
It's the
his
ocean.
kids.
You know what I'm
Okay?
saying?
Let them little niggas deal with it.
You know what I'm saying? It probably won't even be their problem.
Okay? I inherited my own problems. You know what I inherited? One of the highest payrolls in baseball history.
That's right.
Okay? We
You know what
got
I'm
through
saying?
that. You guys will get through a little
You know what I'm saying?
global warming.
You know what I mean? We lived through several Knicks seasons. Countless.
Niggas talk about global warming is bad. Is it so bad? Is it so bad? You have polar bears on your block. That's kind of cool. I don't got a polar bear now.
You get seals out there and shit. You never see Mr. Popper's Penguins, nigga?
Okay.
You never see Mr. Popper's Penguins, nigga, with Jim Carrey?
Okay.
With his tour de force performance as a nigga who didn't really want
You don't got to go to
penguins.
Miami no more. You could just go to the
saying?
Lower East Side because it's
feel
all
me?
underwater and shit.
That's it.
Fucking sunbathe on the top
You know what I
of
mean?
Baruch projects. And
You
there's
know
all
what I
that's
mean?
left.
Ride your jet ski past pianos.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
She's lit.
The Ludlow Canal.
House History is just a beach now. Niggas got mad fucking suntan lotion for the Madam X. Like, yeah.
Yeah. Yo, I'm going scuba diving. Where? Trash on Vaudeville, y'all.
Yo, no running in front of Miss Lily's. No running.
Yeah, chill.
running.
You wildin'.
Fucking high tide comes and just washes away NYU. Oh, global warming.
Yo, Spike Lee's in a raft going to class and shit like, yo.
Today we're learning about cinematography.
You know what I'm saying?
I don't care about global warming because I live on top of a hill in the Bronx. Sorry.
Yo, I mean, honestly, when
No, actually, if you look on the flood map, like the Bronx is kind of fucked. If the sea level rises, like where I live in the Bronx, it's fucked.
super fucked.
Yeah.
I was shook because where I used to live was right by the Long Island
You're
Sound.
fucked too.
And I
in
was just like,
New Jersey because I had River and Patterson.
yeah, the Passaic River, yeah.
And there, I don't know if how up on your civics you are in Jersey, but do you know about the controversy about the turbines for the dam?
No.
They want to add turbines to the floodgates to that river in Patterson, and the town says no because if the turbines fail, the water is going to back up into the city and flood the city. And guess where's a part of New Jersey that will also get flooded?
I was going to Patterson.
Not only Patterson.
The entire Bergen County?
Do I gotta do the tethered look for you? The Mero.
Oh shit, it's coming to me?
Yeah, you got a sump pump? You got a pump in your basement?
Hell yeah.
All right, well, get your pump, nigga.
Get the pump.
Wait, you got a pump in your basement for water, or you got like a dick pump?
No.
Because I don't know what you. Heather's like, oh my God, there's water. He's like, I got this. Nigga, just roll a blunt. Nigga like,
yo.
pumping this shit like,
yo.
Yeah,
Is it working?
They come on, like, yo, that shit wild girthy. Yo, look the vein. Niggas making sandbags and shit. You got like wild dick out. Like, yo, I'm gonna block the water with this.
I got you, nigga. I just let my dick out the end of the cul-de-sac. Like, shit, like, water splash, like, backwards and shit. Like, yo.
You got all your neighbors are like, at the count of 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, lift.
Like
Niggas got
it's a
horses.
beach.
Niggas got horses pulling shit. It's like a scene from a Steven Spielberg movie.
Dick like a beach whale and shit. Niggas throwing water on my dick, like, by the bucket full and shit. Like,
You just smoking the blunt on the porch, like, yo, pull harder.
pull harder. I don't even feel that shit. Use your teeth.
Captain, the foreskin can't hold back much water. They gotta reinforce this shit. You just mad at your neighbors trying to hold your foreskin up against the water. Oh, there's that porn talk. There's that porn
There
and
it
dick
goes,
talk.
there it goes.
That's what you come here for.
Hey, there you go with your dick jokes.
Future generations tell the story of how Mero saved Fairlawn with his dick.
With his dick.
I'm like, this is not a and it's a pop-up book? I'm
Oh,
like,
wow.
grab my
Okay.
kid out of there. Shit.
Yo, chill.
Niggas open this shit like, whoa.
Oh, goddamn, nigga, what the fuck? But yeah, I did all that shit. I got flood insurance. I was tight because the flood insurance goes up all the time. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here adulting. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to you for getting flood insurance. Enough people do not get flood insurance because they think they are covered by
Homeowners insurance. No, totally separate thing.
And shout out to Past Life Desus. I did a lot of writing up about flood insurance, especially after Hurricane Sandy.
Yeah.
And people was writing me like, yo, my business doesn't have flood insurance. And the city was like, yeah, oh, okay, I see what we could do for you. Nothing, you're fucked. Bye.
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 Bye. Click.
And you know, a lot of places in Williamsburg and stuff were really damaged.
Yeah.
They didn't have flood insurance. And flood insurance is expensive as shit.
It's mad expensive.
Expensive as shit.
So, look at who you
And then the new loophole for insurance companies are they're like, no, it was it's a once in 1,000 year event, so we don't have to cover it. I'm like, how do you know that?
Do you practice that weather pattern?
You can't be in a relationship and you cheat and you be like, nah, that was like a once in 1,000 year hole.
Yo, chill.
Like, nigga, I had no choice.
That was like Haley's. That was like the Hale bop.
You would have done it too. You would have done it too.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay. How dare you judge me?
So please.
Okay. So what? She ain't had no teeth.
She was the teacher from Hookers to the Point.
I had to yell at at a young man for getting toppy in the daytime the other day.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Cause no, we were in a park. And
if I'm not getting the top of you,
he wasn't like a teenager. It was like a crack dealer getting toppy from a crackhead.
Oh,
because they did a detour in my neighborhood, and we had to walk underneath the dangerous park that smells like piss by the FDR Drive.
Yes.
And I'm walking, and there was this couple walking behind me, and I felt bad for them because I have no problem walking underneath a dangerous underpass. But they're like an older couple. They're just trying to get to where they're going.
Looking like food.
I was like, yo, people's walking here. You can't be doing that. And they stopped, but they looked at me. And they looked kind of crackish, so I just walked fast. But I did my civic duty. That's right. I'm cleaning up New York. One crackhead at a time.
That's right.
Fuck that.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, listen, I understand. Transactions, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
also, here's my thing. How good can crackhead head be?
Crackhead
head. Because I mean, like, yeah, the first time, yeah. Second time is like, yeah. But like after the fifth or sixth time, you're like this nigga stink.
Yeah, you smell.
Yeah.
Like, yo. Ew.
Is those bed bugs and shit?
Yeah, like, yo, I don't even.
Also, you know, like, I think getting a BJ while cars are rushing by and you smell urine, ain't that serious, bro.
Like Drake said, I just want to get head in a comfortable bed. Like, that's it. Like, I'm not trying to be all extra. Like, I wouldn't even at this point in my life, I probably wouldn't even enjoy topping like in a bathroom.
You know what?
Like in a small bathroom. Unless we got the handicap stall on deck and it's spotless and I can put the seat down and sit down and relax.
It's not called handicap. Differently abled.
Oh, differently abled.
Okay, be woke, nigga.
That's right. I'm sorry.
Be woke, you fucking spick.
What's
his name? Ted Turner, owner of CNN.
He's still alive. And TNT and TBS. Yeah.
Is he still alive?
And the Atlanta Braves.
Mm-hmm. I think he died. Nope, that nigga's still alive.
Wow.
Yeah, he has a quote, and he said that getting money. Listen, it's our favorite guy, Uncle Victor. Hey! Ted Turner said, "Hey, Wally in the back, see ya." Hey! Chomo, come on. So Ted Turner said, he said that
he got the trumpet for the go-go band. We lit.
Ted Turner's quote is, "Average sex is better than getting a big check," and I have to disagree with him.
No, what? Average sex is better than getting a good check?
Yeah.
No, it's not. I was like, fam, have you never jerked off before?
Listen, that's what he said.
Average sex is better than getting a big check? Nah, you got too much money.
But how much do you think he's worth? What do you think his net worth is?
Between TNT, TBS, the Braves, fucking, nigga, shit. $250 million, 250 million, 300 million?
How much? 250 million?
I would say 250, either 250 or 300 million.
Million?
Yeah.
Put these big B's in your mouth, boy. $2 billion.
Look at that. See?
2.2 billion.
Yeah, that was a conservative. I was just being conservative. Yeah, that nigga got too much money.
Woo.
Yeah, when you got that much money, you don't even care about pussy no more. Like, you fuck money. That nigga probably fucks $10,000. He probably, like, when he...
Bro.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
bro, you know how much money he lost when he bought AOL? $99 billion.
Wow. And he came back from that?
That's a net loss, but he... Fanooted it.
Nigga recoup? Damn, bro. See?
Nigga put them bricks out there.
Look. Flood the block. Like Ted Turner.
He's a money earner. Also, shout out to the Braves still doing that chop.
Yeah. Also, shout out to them being named the Braves.
Also. Damn.
Change your name to Bravery or some shit, nigga.
That's like
damn.
killing everyone in a project and then just coming in and just, I guess, wearing their faces on a cap.
Yo, facts.
That's some dark shit, bro.
Yo, facts.
Is there any problematic basketball team names?
No.
Knickerbockers.
I mean, if you mispronounce it, then yeah, it's problematic. Yeah. It's wild problematic.
If you pronounce it how they were doing in Howard Beach in the 90s?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But if we change the name of the Knicks, do you think that would make the team better or worse? Or would it even matter?
It wouldn't even matter.
Wouldn't even matter.
Yeah, nah. Like, at this point, what the fuck are you going to call them? They've been in the Knicks for so long. It's like...
You know what? And I say this, and it's kind of our fault. because of us, everyone thinks all the New York is yours, bacon, egg, and cheeses, and Tim's and chopped cheeses. So
The New York Tims?
they probably name it like the New York chopped cheeses or some bullshit like that. And we'd be like 80, we'd be like, hey, oh my God, it's the Kid Mero. Can I get a yurt? And you gotta take the oxygen mask off, like, I love it. You're in a wheelchair that's shaped like a Timberland boot.
Thank you.
Once a Nick, always a Nick. Give it up for the Kid Mero.
Thank you.
Welcome to the new season of all female robot Nick basketball.
What?
That's right. All our robots are female.
Oh man.
Nothing but set shots and strong layups. Yeah.
I would like to
To throw off the first jump ball is the Kid Mero. Nigga still with the ball in his shirt run off the court.
I can't jump anymore. Also, I do not support this.
Boo. He's a robot homophobe. He's a robot bigot.
No.
You have on the Ruben Diaz senior hat.
I would play the game the right way.
Boo.
Play the game the right way.
Why do you hate robots?
Have you ever seen a robot with straight back cornrows?
Why does he hate robots? Boo.
That's why I hate
Boo
them.
this guy. Get him out of here.
They do not have the ability to have cornrows or dunk or do things like untie people's shoes laces. That is why I do not agree with them.
Ooh. Niggas got the
Also-
wild protests of your hologram podcast, I guess?
They do not turn up in the club after the game. I remember the good old days of basketball. Me and Desus would go to nightclubs and
hello, this is the soul of Desus. I now live in a MacBook, and I would just like to disavow my former partner, the Kid Mero.
We went to Greenhouse with J.R. Smith one time. And
He has
triple topping.
He has what is known as Bronx dementia. There was a study came out, and it said that the fumes from brand new Timberland boots would make you have Alzheimer's, and all the Bronx residents said, "Fuck that, suck my dick from the back. I do what I want."
Who you believe? The computer that's talking or me? I mean, still have a body.
I have more memory than him.
No, wait until I go to
the intern gotta come like, okay, sorry, it got stuck.
I'm going to tech serve to get more memory than
Tech
you.
serve closed 10 years ago.
No, then I just jump off the Chase Bridge. I can't live like this.
James Golden is somehow still alive. Like,
Some vaping and shit. Like, I knew it'd get them in the end.
Mero, please eat a dick.
Whoa! You talking shit about my computer? Yeah. How you feeling there? Very polite and shit.
Mero, please eat a dick. Yo, my God. Yo, what are the Knicks going to do with this third pick? Are they going to pick Barrett? Are they going to
They're gonna pick Barrett. Yes, they're not. I'm not with that trading for AD shit. I'm not feeling it, bro.
This bodega is way too loud.
Things you'll never hear people say in real life.
Yo.
Go to Bodega be like, that shit's too loud. They'll be like, yo, you too loud. You shut the fuck up.
Hey, how you too quiet, mama? Get out of here.
It's the guy that doesn't work there, but got a cup, and the cup is always full, and his eyes are kind of low. And he got to lean on the cooler. And he's like,
He's like, you don't like it, Bobby? Then you go over there and go fucking whole food.
He gets violent, but because he's so drunk, the violence is in slow motion, so you can easily like sidestep his punches and shit. He's like, you see them, like he's like,
I'm gonna hit you. You playing with me? Fuck is wrong with you, nigga? Nigga, you drunk?
you just sidestep him, get a cola and shit. Like, yo, your man play too much pop. Yo, how much is this shit?
He's like, nah, I'm not playing with you, bro.
You know?
You come in here, you
start
want
talking about the time he fucked somebody up in 1985 at the
Let
Fever.
me tell you something. Carlito's Way was based on a true story. And you know who's Benny Blanco from the Bronx?
Let me guess. It was you.
That was me.
It was you.
It was me.
Let me guess. You had wild chains and
That's
cars.
right.
Yeah.
I had the white suit.
Yeah.
And I tell them.
You ran the block.
I had everything from 140th to 161st. That was all me.
So why are you restocking Tiger beer inside the bodega?
Because let me tell you something.
That nigga snitch.
That's right.
The nigga in the bodega will call I snitched, but he was fucking my bitch.
You know what I'm saying? So
Well, I was locked up. He was fucking my bitch, so you know I had to do what I had to do.
I had to do it. That's it. I don't care. You don't violate like that. So then fuck you, nigga. You want to fuck and you're going to fuck.
The nigga just take a nap in the middle of nowhere in front of the store.
And so, like I said, when I tell you before, doing things like that, you can't do that.
And then Poppy's like, all right, okay, take it outside.
No, I'm gonna fight Poppy. I'm gonna fight him.
Take it outside.
I'm gonna fight him.
Take it outside. It's too much.
No, I'm gonna fight him.
It's too much.
No, he said.
You know, next time you come in here, you want beer?
No.
No beer for you. You cut off.
No, Poppy, don't do that to me.
Then he leave mad angry and shit.
No, come on.
And come back in the bodega 20 minutes later, just standing there like tight, like.
So, Poppy, that's not good. I come here helping you every time.
I good friend.
I good friend for you. Every time it snow, I put in that cup for you. And this you say to me, I can't have no beer no more. Like, that's not fair. And then you turn this guy, he TV guy, and you can't do him with me.
That's exactly how it sounds. It's just like,
yo, what is this nigga saying? Like, yo,
can I just get this fucking chopped cheese?
Yo, can I get? No, you can't get fuck. You know who used to work and make that thing? I was me,
that
Poppy.
Was you, yeah.
And then let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something, Poppy. And Benny Blanco from the Bronx,
that was you, yes.
That was me. And then I say, you know what? I have children. I have a baby. So I say, I want to be good man. So I come in here and I'm making sandwich. And then you come in here saying to me, this sandwich have a hair inside it. You know what I'm saying? When that was the guy told you when it's in there. And when you come in here, you gotta give me.
Everybody in the bodega is looking around to see like who he's talking to. Like I think I'm talking to me.
I told, and then said
I know
him.
you think I'm talking to me.
And then talk to him.
Yo, Pop, you got Blistex? No, not the one for the. I don't want. Nah, I don't want the gay one with the nipple. Give me the little blue can.
I'm talking to you.
Yo, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Yo, my man. Yo, on blood, I'll smack the shit out of you at 4 a.m. I got the wild hangover.
Let me tell you something.
Yo, shut the fuck up.
Yo.
You just smack the shit out of him.
Well, yeah. Nigga fall over mad easy like, yo.
Nigga, mad potato chips and shit.
Nigga just trying to grab a rack and shit, just bring down the whole store. Like,
I told this nigga I'll shoot this nigga.
No, Poppy, no, you can't do that. I told. Oh my God. Now, who gonna clean this up?
Okay? Yo, Poppy, I'm sorry. I ain't mean to disrespect. This nigga talk too fucking much.
I understand, but you tell him he gonna clean it up. Who gonna clean it up? You or him?
Nigga get up and knock over mad shit as he's getting up. Like,
but I'm sorry, but I didn't want to have a bit, please.
You your lady pretty.
No.
You're pretty. You lady
You're nice. You're nice guy. People, I'm sorry, Papa.
They don't even remember that he got smacked. Like, both sides of the face be fucking
straight red jamming, nigga. Like,
and the nigga never dropped his beer. They got smacked and still got the beer. Like, yo. Smack a bodega fiend.
Yo, man said 28 sentences. One of them made sense.
What? That's like, damn. I think being like that dude in bodega is probably worse than being a crackhead. Because, like,
facts.
At least crackheads, you have like a job, like
something. Like you gotta
prime objective, get crack.
Get crack.
Objective number 2, get more crack.
It's a Call of Duty when you check like the objectives and shit. It's like, yo, there's one, get crack.
Achievement unlocked, got crack.
Got crack. Gamer
Achievement
score.
unlocked, got crack for 5 straight days.
Press that one button to view achievement.
Got crack 30 days in a row. Nuclear. Leveled up. You prestige to crack rock.
Yo,
4.
10 prestige crack rock.
Guess what? You can now use the Thrasher to come through and drop crack rocks from the sky. Yeah.
Yo, shit.
They got a crack UAV. It just shows where all the crack is on the map.
Oh shit, yo, we lit.
Oh.
You go get this shit.
Oh man. Yeah. Crack. Crackety crack. Oh, speaking of crack.
Oh shit.
You know this Bronx legend.
Crack. Oh shit.
What I got? I've got 14 grandkids, 2 great-grandkids, okay? And my daughters, they all fly.
Yeah.
And I cook, I get stuff. I do Jamaican, African, whatever the fuck you want. I by myself, that's called soledad.
Yeah.
I
You know what? This lady's actually cool.
Crackhead swag.
She lives in Section 5.
Oh shit, Section 5 in the
Child
building?
BX right there. People say they smoke with her and shit like that. She's cool.
Oh shit.
I mean, she's a cool.
Gang.
Listen.
She said all that shit.
All that shit. You know what I'm saying? I cook that African.
Yeah, I
I cook
said
that Jamaican.
all that.
That's
and
cool.
And my pussy good.
That's cool.
How you say? How you? Yo, that's a pitch right there,
Yeah,
bro.
and my pussy's good.
She's like,
That's cool.
I got 14 grandkids. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
She kept,
What if that's your grandmother?
Damn, bro.
Grandma, stop talking about your pussy in the bodega.
Stop.
I got good pussy. I gotta let these niggas know.
These niggas know. Yo, Lin Manuel, make that into a musical.
I got good pussy in the bodega.
I got 14 grandkids. Growing up in Section 5 in the Bronx, I always knew I had good pussy.
Oh, man.
The title of the play?
Oh, man.
Soledad.
Every day waking up on Dykeman.
Yeah.
So many experiences.
So many.
So many people to see. So many things to do.
Yes.
But one thing always stood with me.
What was that?
How my grandmother, my abuela, would talk about her good old pussy.
Fine. Let me tell you something. I have 14 grandkids, and my pussy is so good.
That was my abuela. Always talking about her pussy.
That's right, papi. You know who had this pussy? Stevie B. Oh, he wrote.
Oh, grandma. I love the Stevie B story.
Yeah.
Good pussy coming to theaters July 27th.
I want to be the one who's about me.
Executive produced by Lin-Manuel and Desus. Lin-Manuel was brushing his teeth like, excuse me?
I produced what? Who?
I'm producing what? It's a double feature.
Yeah. We getting shmoney.
Is that and Belly on Ice?
Belly ice capades and shit.
I am driving to the car. Don't you know Africa is far? And then Nas does like a pirouette.
Nigga lands on Africa.
Nigga cuts Africa, the shape of Africa using his skates.
Yo.
It starts with Nas, DMX, and them just whatever do you want it.
Then they pan the crowd, show, stand around and they're like, yes, I love it. Africa.
This mad little kid's like, I don't get the. I'm 15. Like, I don't get the. It's a good movie. Just sit down.
Just shut the fuck up.
It's like medieval times and shit. I'm like, just eat your turkey leg.
No, don't disrespect Hype Williams, nigga.
With Team Buns.
I'm like, yo, why would you name him Buns? Like, when he's clearly not Buns.
I mean, that's you know what? Sometimes in the hood you get the nickname that has nothing to do with who you are and what you do.
That's a fact. That's a fact.
It was like shout out to my boy. What was his name? Peaches.
Yeah,
because his mother. We were playing basketball in section 2. His mother leaned out the window. It was like, Peaches, come inside for dinner, because that was like her nickname for him when he was a kid. Where you try to be tough in the neighborhood, that's not a name. So after that, we was like, get your bitch ass over here, Peaches.
Oh, man.
Over here. And to make things worse, Peaches and Cream had just come out. So yeah, they ended up fighting people in gym and shit.
Oh, man. You need it because you know that I'm a fiend.
Peaches and Cream. Actually, if that song is about oral sex, you don't want cream in your Peaches.
You know what? I'm going to...
But you're a nasty discharge kind of guy, so
yeah, you know what I'm saying. But you know what? I'm gonna go out and be transparent and say that the first time I ate butt was 2 Peaches and Cream.
That's not transparency. That's oversharing. Peaches and Cream.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Fiona.
Remember, as soon as I got home is about swallowing.
Oh yeah,
yeah.
Hell
so,
yeah.
You know
what I'm saying? It's a little. I'ma swallow that nut, boy.
Is that? I mean, like, if you fight with someone like, yo, all right, I'll swallow you tonight. It's like, no, fuck you.
No,
that doesn't fix the problem.
No, I mean,
we're gonna fight some more.
I mean, we're gonna. I mean, you could swallow me first and then just like go away.
See, and then instances like that, you gotta be childish. And then when she comes to the door, you just like throw it in her face, be like, too late, gotcha. Look at me, I'm Spider-Man.
Already jerked off, stupid. You tired?
You do that with like a Spider-Man suit on. It's like, you're so fucking childish.
Yo.
Hey, look, I'm a web slinger.
Hold that.
She's like,
wow. You
know, I have astigmatism. What are you doing?
How long were you holding on to that? My contact came out. I was stupid.
I did that when I got home at 6, and I didn't know you were coming here till like 1. So
yeah, wow.
I kept my hand in the fridge to keep it moist. But
yeah, well,
you get the
thanks
gist.
a lot. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. And I got an eye infection, stupid. And I got to miss work. And I'm the one that makes money over here. SoundCloud rapper.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm actually on Beatport now. So. Yeah.
Excuse me.
So how you feel?
Oh, Beatport. Oh, whoa.
Okay.
Oh, did you get a Fisher Spooner remix of your latest track?
I get 35 cents per listen.
Wow. Incredible.
How do you feel?
Wow. Call me when you get a Diplo remix.
Can I get some money for studio time?
Actually, I would have given you money for studio time, but I can't see because you put cum in my eye.
Why you always bringing up old shit? You always bringing up old shit, Sheila.
I would let you go in my purse, but last time I let you go in my purse, I couldn't. My fucking monthly Metro card mysteriously disappeared.
Listen, all Metro cards look the same, and I just happen to have a monthly Metro card.
Oh, really? You got a monthly Metro card? You ain't got no job. You got a monthly Metro card. That's how you living? That's how you living?
I have a Pell Grant.
Don't ever forget whose name is on this lease, okay?
We're gonna go. You remember that was a Beyonce song? She's like, "You ever forgot?" She got one. Make a song called "Don't Ever Forget Whose Name Is on This Lease." We guys make fucked up songs for like broke niggas. That's one of the songs. Don't ever forget whose name is on the lease. Another one is like, "Yo, I can't stand your moms."
I got the remix for that. I got the original and the remix. I got the extended version, nigga.
Judy. Other songs. Why this little nigga always here? What is Fuck, I fine. We'll get married.
Oh, my God.
That song.
I ain't walking that little nigga to school today again.
Nope. Yo, your mom seen dick before. I don't have to throw on underwear. Fuck it. Other one.
Yo, could your fucking abuela please speak fucking English in front of me?
On the Desus B-side, I know what Moreno means. Okay? All right? That's a real story. If you go back to, I forgot what year it was, but there was a year in some of my tweets. It was like every Sunday morning I would tweet about this Dominican girl's mother disrespecting the shit out of me. Watched it. Not even watching the Heights. Just like on the river, in like Riverdale, over there, over by Kingsbridge and shit.
Oh boy!
And it was fucked up because she clearly did not like me because I was of the Moreno descent, but she still provided breakfast. So
Dominican mothers will slander you to death, but be like, "Yo, did you eat?"
Yeah. To be fair though, like if some nigga just come out your daughter's like room at like 11 on Sunday morning, and you didn't see him go in when you went to bed, like you gonna feel some kind of way. And I'm just like, I'm like, what's up, y'all?
Yo,
it's good.
As long as you just be like, she used to look at them like,
Sure, you come out her hair a mess. I was like, yeah, you gotta go get another. You gotta get another washing set.
I'm like, yo, listen, listen for the doors. When my mom goes in the bathroom and turn the shower on, you gotta get the fuck up out of here.
Nah, I was blatant. I'm like watching TV and shit, watching Good Day New York.
Yo,
I'm like, you know what? Next time the plantains, don't cook them so long.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Oh, you don't like it?
I mean, it's just like they're a little greasy.
Oh, you know what's greasy?
What?
The bed that you having sex with my daughter. You have a job?
I don't have to talk to you. You're illegal.
You have a job?
Okay.
Huh? You having sex with my daughter
I'm
in
gonna
my
get
house?
breakfast at a King Caridad because I don't have to put up with this attitude down there.
So then go over there.
I'm going there.
Go.
Okay.
The plátanos are dry.
Okay. Also, there's 5 King Caridads on this 4-corner intersection. So
the third one is good. The third one is good.
Also, Sabor Latino, is that a place? Or?
It's good. It's good. They have but it's like a Chinese people and they speak Spanish too. So it's good. So it's nice. It's like if you like how white people say future. It's like future.
Oh, future? So it's gonna son of Rolex?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
See.
Okay.
See. So you go there future and then you get a Rolex. That's it. It's nice. It's a good time. Wow. You fucking my daughter. You getting my daughter pregnant?
No, I'm not good. Ma'am, If I was getting your daughter Dominican, I just had sex with her like an hour ago. If she was pregnant, she'd be showing right now. She just come out like, we gonna be a happy I'm like,
Yo!
I just met you. We haven't had sex yet. I just give you my phone number.
Yo, nigga, you walk out of the door, you come back, you automatically got a Burberry shirt on. Like, yo, what happened?
Oh.
Yo, whoa, what the fuck?
Bronx Black Mirror. You unbutton it, there's another one underneath it. You're like,
no, oh my God.
You turn around, everything is those wicker chairs. And where you go, you see a bow, and she's just putting another bow and making a bigger hat. We're going to be a happy family.
Yo, they got the Wild Dominican live band in there. So like,
You're running, but just keep hearing that music behind you. Like, you go to the doctor, you're like, I need a vasectomy. And the doctor snips, and then the earth starts shaking. Because guess what?
Oh, shit.
The world that we were watching was inside someone's vas deferens.
Oh, shit. No.
Where else you getting content like that at, huh? Netflix, cut the check. They're like, that doesn't make any sense. How would he be able to cut the vas deferens if he's in it? The world would never know.
You're not ready for that.
Also, the original Black Mirror was the Tootsie Roll commercial.
Yes.
Where the kid had the Tootsie Pop and all the other animals were fucking him over, and then Mr. Owl hit him with the wild Harlem Hustle. He was like, 1, 2. This thing ain't my lollipop. Got him.
Fucking pussy. Nigga mushed him and shit. Like, yo,
ate this nigga Tootsie Roll Pop. Yo, we go to the bodega, get another Tootsie Roll. Yo, last one there sucks wild dick.
Nigga. Like this nigga right here, this nigga's wild pussy. I just took his shit, nigga.
Fucking Turtle walks by.
Say something.
Turtle walks by, kicks him in the head. They got jumped by animals. Yo, nah, you wild pussy if you go in the woods with 3. You went in there with 3 Tootsie Roll Pops.
Yo.
And you didn't eat not one of them.
Not one of them. You came back home empty-handed with your tail between your legs.
Now you're just
nigga.
looking at the rapper, all the activities nigga doing. Wow. I think it's, like you on the bus home like, damn, I gotta come back with the burner.
Then the owl's just like, watch this. Nigga fly over you until you get home. Wait, you right in front of your door. Nigga's like, hold that, nigga. Hold that Tootsie Roll. Fucking clown.
You go inside your house, your mommy and girl knows something's wrong because you just rocking back and forth. They're like, you everything all right? You're like, nah.
Nah. Is that owl shit on your shirt?
Nah, it's all right.
You good? You sure?
Nah, it's all right.
You good?
Go upstairs. I'm going upstairs. Just leave me alone. I just need a second.
All right, okay, cool.
Nigga be in a room punching the air and shit like, nah. This thing's around me.
I think something.
This nigga think I'm pussy?
I think something going on.
This nigga think I'm pussy? Yo. Nah, fuck that.
Yo, Mero, you there?
Yo, what's good, B?
What's up? You kids sleeping?
Yeah. Oh, they been sleep.
Yo, call Jeezy, bring that thing. We about to go set the woods on fire.
Say less. We out. I'm coming through in a condo cord with the tan cloth interior.
Breaking news, the Everwillow Forest apparently has been set on fire from 4 sides.
The animals trying to come out. We got mad guns and shit. Like, what's up?
What's popping now?
What's up? Ever got to the middle of fucking Brainium pop?
Huh? Motherfucker.
1,
2. Wow, nigga, hold that.
We got them tied up execution style and shit. Making niggas suck on lollipops before they die.
Yeah. Take a taste.
Guess the flavor. Yeah.
Take one.
Wrong. It's called Gatlin.
Hold that. Stupid.
What does this taste like? Raspberry? Wrong. Mossberg.
Yeah. Hold that, nigga. Shit tastes like buckshot.
Because like I just wanted my Tootsie Pops back.
Nah, fuck that, nigga.
Fuck that. You know what it is?
Don't let these niggas herb you.
You know what it is?
Fuck out of here.
Kill them all. Let God sort them out.
You know
We
what I'm
don't give a
saying?
shit.
Fuck
We kill
that,
us over here.
nigga. You got that? You got that tarp? I told you to bring, little nigga.
You know what it is? Bodega Boys, Medellin cartel. You know what it is? What's up?
Now we gonna now we did our part. Now you do your part, nigga.
What's up?
Cut their tongues out, nigga.
There you
Go ahead.
go. All right, take their heads and put them on the highway. Let niggas know. Nigga put mad heads on the Hutchinson. Everyone's just driving around. I'm like, oh, come on, there's fucking heads on the highway.
What the fuck is going on here?
Hey,
Bronx Trevor report. Watch out, there's severed heads on the road again.
Hi, this is just Cunnington here, live from exit 9 into the Hutch. There seem to be decapitated heads all over the road.
You know, Jess, I don't know if it's de Blasio or Cuomo who I gotta talk to. I've been trying my kid up to soccer practice again. more heads on the road. They got to do something about it. I don't want to say anything. I think it's the black people from that side of Yonkers. But, I'll let you say what you got to say.
It's incredible. We're going to go back to the studio, but hey, we're out here Hutchinson Parkway, and heads will roll when we find out what's going to happen. Back to you guys in the studio.
Heads will roll. Thank you, Jessica Cunningham. 48 people were shot today at the Bronx Book Fair. You're like, why? Why we can't say nice? During the reading of I Am My AR-15.
Yo, but shout out to Jessica Cunnington, you know what I'm saying, for getting the, participating in Bronx Week, you know what I'm saying? Shout out everyone, the keynote speaker.
Shout out everyone getting Bronx Week shit.
You know what I'm saying?
They won't give us Bronx Week shit because they offered us they offered us to be honored at Bronx Week. And I'm going to keep it funky. The brand is so strong at this point, we could annex the Bronx. And so we told Ruben Diaz Jr. that we're going to allow him to continue his reign. But once he's out of office, we're running this shit.
Yeah, we're king of the North.
We're king of the North. We're taking this. Okay? Locking this down. We're putting up gates.
Bronx throws, thinking we out here.
That's right. We are building a wall around the Bronx to keep other people out the Bronx.
That's right.
The Bronx gonna be the new Wakanda.
You see what I'm saying? P.O. and Loopy, the Night Watchman and shit.
That's right. I kind of get these references.
Watch them be on the wall and shit.
I'm gonna fly over on a pit bull. Like, that pit bull's not fly. That pit bull just jumped off Tracy Towers. He's not flying.
He's not flying. That nigga's gliding.
I'm like, come on, stay up, Rex. Rex, stay up. I make him drink Mad Brugal. I got the lighter in front of him. Like,
yo, go,
spit.
Spit.
Dracarius. Burn them. Bun them. Well, the Jamaicans like, yes, burn. I'm like, no. I meant Winterfall. Not you know what y'all talking about. Shame on y'all.
Slow down.
It's like a huge battle. And like, whoa. Some guys like, whoa. 7:00, Baltimore versus the Yankees. What the fuck are you doing? Everyone's like,
oh shit, my bad. Okay,
that's the scene where everyone was dropping their swords.
Clink.
Hey, fucking CeCe's pitching.
Oh, word?
Oh,
shit. Oh, yeah.
It's Westeros bobblehead night.
Oh, shit. Oh, we lit. Let's go.
Let's go, Cersei.
Yo,
she throws out the first pitch.
We would like to have a moment of silence for Ned Stark.
That nigga wild pussy, fuck him.
Thank you, everybody, for that moment of silence.
Bronx moments of silence are always nervous. He's like, hurry up, because someone about to fuck the shit
Someone about to say some wild shit.
Yo, check out my SoundCloud link.
Yo, no. Hey, yo, you can't do that in the Bronx. Somebody's gonna jump out with something like that, or like a year, some shit.
I love a good unexpected yurt.
Yeah,
that causes chaos because mad people start yurting and everyone's like, what's going on?
What's going on? What's happening? Well, the Connecticut niggas are like, hey, is that a gang slang? It's a gang slang.
It's like yurt. There's gonna be.
I actually built a yurt.
I built a yurt. I did not know that a yurt was the type of building until it was like a Travelocity ad. They was like, you can stay in a yurt. I was like, yeah, I won't be doing that.
Yeah, nah.
Definitely clicking not in a yurt. Okay?
Filter, no yurts.
No yurts. I don't know what a yurt is. That's not what I'm trying to say. Do you have a condo shaped like a boot? Maybe that. I'll stay in a Timberland house.
Yo.
We need to set up. Do you remember? I don't know if your family ever did like the wild road trip to like Florida, but you went down I-95.
Oh yeah,
that resort south of the border. Yeah, we need to set up a south of the border because south of the Bronxer. And there's like a hotel built like a chopped cheese. A little amusement park for kids built like a Timberland boot.
Yeah.
There's like a little lovers canal, but it's built like a wet Newport 100.
And it's the playground, the play areas for the kids. Stay with me here.
I'm with you.
Instead of the cedar wood chips, Dutch guts.
You know what
I'm saying?
Yes.
You know what I mean?
You two could be a little gerbil.
You know what I mean?
Nice.
You know what I'm saying? You want to come out there smelling like fucking Connecticut leaf?
Get your chance. And how Disney World has like every night they have like the electric parade with all like the lights and all that shit. Every 10 p.m. shootout.
You know what I'm saying?
Nice shootout.
A nice
choreographed by one Lin-Manuel.
That's right. They're doing moves and shit, singing.
Shootouts. I got the cat. They bucked at me and I'm bucking back.
Hey.
I got the Glock. I'm on the block.
Hey.
I talk the talk and I love some guac.
Up.
I'm like, this is not how shootouts in the Bronx were.
Nah, they usually like if one nigga shoots and everybody runs away.
Nigga shooting with like a burrito and shit. They call me One Shot Larry.
Yo.
That's One Shot Harry.
Hey, Scooby Doo Wop. Speaking of burritos, I ate Taco Bell for the first time in Mount Long the other day. Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Let me tell you something.
They put a Taco Bell on Dykeman?
Can I tell you the disgust when I saw a PA carrying about, I want to say $60 worth of tacos.
Yo.
How do you even get $60 worth of Taco Bell? That's a taco. That's a Taco Bell. Excuse me.
I had to go into the Seamless and put like multiples of shit. Like I had to order 3 of this, 3 of that, 3 of this, 3 of that.
I know Seamless had mad dialogues like, that's not what this happened for. This is for respectable food. There's like, you dead ass, my nigga.
Yo, no shot to Taco Bell, but yo, fam, I ate 2 of those things and then the rest of that shit went straight in the garbage, my nigga.
Taco Bell was like, yo, fam, we use 8% actual meat. Throw all the shots you want, my nigga.
Fam, my body was like, yo, my nigga, you really gonna do this to us?
Yeah, I seen it. And the thing about Taco Bell always smells good. It looks like a good idea.
Man.
Nah, man. Taco Bell is raw sex.
Yes. You're like, yo, this shit is amazing.
It seems like a good idea, but afterward, like,
when you're drunk, you're like, the
possibilities and what could possibly happen afterwards.
Can't
risk it. Don't risk it.
No. Especially if you're taking fucking mass transit home, boy. You're taking ass transit home, nigga.
Shit. Taco Bell be like, we need to have a conversation. You're like, I'll talk later. We need to talk.
No, we need to talk right now.
We need to talk right now.
Right now.
Nah, we need to talk right fucking now. Everyone else is like, their glasses and shit is coming off. Like, his butthole is over 9,000. You can't. You got to eat Taco Bell in your house.
Yeah. With your pants off already. Like,
just eat it right on the toilet.
Just sit on the toilet.
Just go right on the toilet. Anything else, you play with fire. Because people just like, I can run to the bathroom. Can you?
Can you?
What if you flip?
Are you sure?
What if you slip? What if the doorknob breaks off and you can't get in it?
Oh,
people don't think about that until it's like, what if you gotta take a shit and you cannot get in your bathroom? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do if your son's at home crying all alone on the bedroom floor because his feces
is full of dookie and the only way to feed him is order Taco Bell for a little bit of money because his daddy's gone.
Damn. Yeah, if your son is alone at home and you're bringing him Taco Bell? I don't know, man.
Listen, we're not gonna judge, but we're gonna judge.
A little judge. Call me Aaron, because I'm judging. Or Rise.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen, if little Barrington's home playing with like homemade dolls and shit, you come home with a quesadilla. Maybe I don't submit you to Barrington's Best Mother of the Year award. But to be fair, also there's a father in that picture. Where is he?
Where is he?
Why are we saying the mother? Where's the father? Father just walked off.
Yeah, just walked off. Because
at least she's getting him a quesadilla.
Because mom came home with Taco Bell. She came home with Taco Bell. He's like, nah, I can't do this shit. I'm out of here.
I thought you were a California pizza kitchen kind of bitch. I was raising my kids CPK.
You know what I'm saying?
CPK to this day.
Come on, man. Stop playing. To this day. You know what I'm saying? The thin crust, nigga.
Okay.
Throw some avocado on my shit.
Yo, shout out to Eddie Wilder for almost killing someone at Barclays Center.
Yo, fam, I thought that guy was dead.
How he rock him like that? But you know what? Shout out, he ate it because he didn't like fall back, like his knees just buckled.
Yeah, nah, he felt like, yo, this is very niche, but there's a video on YouTube of Steph Marbury when he was on the Suns crossing over Yao Ming.
Yeah.
And he crossed Yao Ming so bad that the nigga fell in sections.
Yeah,
like the nigga's knees felt like, yo, I'm like, yo, fam, no.
It bees like that, bruh.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas catch you out there.
Niggas catch you. Niggas catch you slipping, bruh.
Yo.
You ever want to be caught slipping?
No.
What's worse, getting dunked on or getting crossed up?
Man. It depends on. I think, I feel like getting crossed up nowadays. Because nowadays, motherfuckers, like, the announcers are like, oh my God, put him on skates.
The audience be like, oh, the crowd be like, whoa.
Yeah. And you feel like a wild dickhead because your knees is on the floor and, like, you look like you're doing, like, fucking bear crawls across the gym and shit. And then it's even worse if, like, homie just spots up and takes out, like, little 2-second pause and then is just like, swish. Like, fuck out of here.
Oh, man.
Ugh. Thank God we're not in the NBA.
Yeah. I don't even. If we were in the NBA, like, well, first of all, we would not be in it.
Yeah, no.
But
If we were, I'm fighting you, fam. If you cross me on that, if we are an ESPN nationally televised game, and you cross me like that, we fighting. I don't care. I don't care about the detrimental. I'm very narcissistic. I'm like, yo, fam, I don't care about the effect on the team.
Fuck that. It's all about me.
It's all about me.
Someone pointed that out on Twitter because they were just like, everyone in the NBA, there's like 450 people, but for your whole life, you were like the creme de la creme, the
Hell yeah.
elite athlete ever in your town, in your city, in your university, in your school. Then you get to the NBA and then you got like characters like Steph
Yep.
and LeBron, and you can never be them.
Yep.
So you got to like
Humble yourself.
Humble yourself or some shit.
Or be a Ricky Davis type nigga and be like, yeah, man, LeBron who, nigga? I don't need that nigga. Your man literally said that. He's like, yo, it's nice to have a second scoring option on the team. I'm like, wow.
That's not how it works.
I'm like, wow, you are very confident, my guy.
But I mean, that's gotta be. That's like you're never. You're never gonna be taking the winning shot.
No, hell no.
Okay.
Anybody that ever played with Melo knew what time it was, bro. Like, yo, D'Antoni, nigga, you know, as Knicks fans, we saw many times Mike D'Antoni draw up a game losing
He was
play.
like, so you're gonna pass the ball? He was like, why would I pass the ball to myself? He's like, no. He's like, here's the play. I'm gonna inbound the ball to myself and I'm gonna take a shot.
I don't. Sure.
Stay mellow
Sure.
on three.
Yeah,
Stay mellow.
You know what?
Other people put their hands in it and he's like, nah, it's just me. Mellow.
On three, Melo. 1, 2, 3, Melo.
Stay mellow.
Y'all niggas sit down. Oh, there has to be 4 other y'all niggas on the court? All right, fine, whatever.
I guess y'all niggas
can rock. Whatever, B. Shout to Melo, B. He should have played with a do-rag on. I need him to come back to the league and play with a do-rag on.
He's coming back. He's coming back. He's going to play for the Knicks last season.
Retire.
Yeah.
Retire a Knick, B.
Retire a Knick. Once a Knick, always a Knick.
That's right.
Listen, man.
Saying?
The bar's so low for being a Knick. Come on, man.
Come on, dog.
Being a Knick is being an Army Reserve. You just got to do like 2 weeks in a year and every other weekend.
And you're good.
You're good,
bro.
All the hats and MREs you want.
Yeah, no stolen valor shit. You get paid. You know what I'm saying? You good money.
You can go to the fucking Federal Credit Union.
Yep.
Get some good rates.
You know what I'm saying?
Star in a whimsical commercial.
Be like, yo, son.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, it's the Kid Mero here. You may know me as Joel Martinez, the backup shooting guard for the New York Knicks. If you want a great deal on a Honda, talk to me and my man Desus Nice.
Hey, Galo, okay, y'all. It's your boy, Desus Nice. I am the water boy for the Knicks, but I'm a good one. I walked into Bronx Toyota the other day and I had no money, bad credit, but I had a pay stub.
Wow, that's incredible. Did you get a car?
Not only did I get a car, I got a car I could afford.
A car that he wanted.
I didn't say that. It was just a car I could afford. It was on a lot. It smells really bad. But they have me. I can't take the 41 anymore. And they really locked me into like a really bad subprime interest rate.
Yeah, that should be
I'm in over my head. And the car, like, it has a knocking noise and they won't repair it.
They won't. Nah, they won't. Yeah, nah, I did this commercial just off the strength because I'm like, I get paid like the league minimum.
I brought the car back and they chased me with a bat that had no handle and it was taped up.
Wow. Really?
Yeah.
They didn't tell me all that.
Yeah, they're very vicious. I don't think the car was stolen.
They told me it might be.
The VIN number is written with a Sharpie.
Ooh. All right. I'm sorry, I guess.
Bronx Toyota is a nice place. Yo, episode 160. If you do the math, 1 plus 6 plus 0 equals what?
What?
7. The God.
Word. Study 160, God.
Okay, we about to chase Yakub back in his cave.
You know what I mean?
Actually, no, we work with Yakubs now. They're actually quite well, and I believe all our checks are signed by Yakub. So,
shout out to the Yakubs.
We don't chase Yakub back in his cave. We just like, hey, you want a dinner date?
Hey. Yakubs, what are you doing Friday night?
Yo, it's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pockets, stay fat like Cheerio, aka Pockets.
Stay fat like what?
Stay fat like whom? Here we go!
Hey!
Chris that. Oh, no, not saying that no more. So, I know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nas with a Rondo, Mil Never says an event at Cuatro. Fuck Chris Stapps because he was like, he threatened the Knicks to go back to Europe if they didn't. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, fuck him. Yeah.
Say Snake. Mikhail going out to Juve.
Yeah.
MC looking good people pulling up for 40 with your shorty. He does have a long back. AK, don't talk to me no pool. I don't know you. The original +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss on.
No, do not.
DJ Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost Mufasa. And Shakuni without the coonery. AK Chili and Lamone, left hand reliever for the Yankees.
Oh,
Kalo K.
Papi, estamos lindo. We Santa Ekman the other day with Mero P.
Sí. Two phone jokes, DJ Machina, J Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Ronald's label, dilute with our new limited edition Bodega Boys only Dr. Bonner's label called bathroom sink. The best way to clean yourself.
Oh shit, yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Mr. Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot blurry. Okay, you're listening to Wash FM. Up next, we got 48 hours of Mero's favorite Bronx MC.
Yeah. Yo, word.
That's right. Can I bust?
Yo.
Can I get it?
Yo.
Get it? Can
download. Yo, go to www.cannabis.com. You know what I'm saying?
www.cannabis.com. His name was Can I Bust? Get it? Can he bust some rhymes?
He can.
Should have stopped him right there.
Yeah.
He's gonna do like the wild diss track right now about it.
Yeah, he's gonna like, I heard you niggas.
The Curry Goat, Jesus Bison, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, My Heart Will Go On, Red Nephew's Nephew, the Moreno You Cannot Contain, the Human Meme, Word the Jaw, Young Aaron, the Racist Provocateur, Hedwig Budcross, Nelson Bandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir. The human word is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on deck. Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Pop. More says Richard Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. Did you suppress what your boy never is?
That's right.
I have the art done. The Dundada Ganoush, want a cup of noodles because you got way too much sodium for
That's
your boy.
right.
You know, I'm trying to live. The Prince of Peckham. The Fashion Over, Casting Over. We made $10
Yo.
The small change, give me big money wine for
That's
free.
right.
Wine up on your auntie.
Wine punish.
She got a little to drink, she don't mind. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Sacker, catch me at square one, top left, man.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro.
True Rizuta, holy cow, catch me at the money store doing subprime loans. Mr. Sopon, so all I do is count checks and jerk off.
That's right.
We got OJ, Purple Stuff, and soda, and it's me, Sonny D.
Hey.
Who likes fructose corn syrup? Yeah.
Delicious.
David man. Hey, are you going through a weird period in your time where perhaps, you've been married and now you want to date a man, or perhaps you dated a woman and you no longer are finding they're attracted to you because you are old and going bald? David Yerman got that jewelry for you. You want a bracelet made from a reclaimed log? Check us out.
Collar.
These expensive. These are red bottom. These are bloody. So keen, Noah. Andrew. Cool.
Yeah. That's right.
AKA the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, palm me charging.
Sit on it.
I'm talking about that wireless charging.
Sit on it. Plug it in.
Must be direct contact.
Yo, that's right.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze, and your animal might die while I'm grooming them. The topic of gossip and Sayasa. Shout out to the 11791. Hey, excuse me, did the peak train pass yet?
Yeah, I've been sitting here for a while, so we'll catch it together and we'll talk about
Whoa! I'm not on that booty judge. Come on.
Oh, all right. I was just want to talk about.
Unless you want to talk about the island. Okay, that's cool.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, Islanders and Billy Joel.
There we go.
That's it.
Hey, did we become best friends? Let's doc. AKA Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that. Go that ticket.
Chill, nigga.
Yo, it's your man Dead IDs. It's more than Sheriff. I'm spreading that yeehaw agenda. That's right.
You got the horses in the back.
They're not really horses. They're just pit bulls with antlers, so I'm going to need to look the other direction. Mr. Dropping that street easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me. Mr. Black Asian Addict will crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. Lamarina, Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor, a cold demeanor. A is sheet mask killer. No one will be iller. The Black Zach Morris of Port Morris, a.k.a. a problematic Bay. Yo, just write your kid's address on the Sharpie on their wrist and let them run around the streets for the summer.
That's right.
Up next, we got... You know who it is.
It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the motherfucking human direct flop, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. skirt loader, jump the curb, hit your fucking lots of opso, keep it moving, ask me if I give a fuck, nigga, call Pete, I don't care. A.k.a. no fucking baby, I fucking main, my nigga. Oh my God. A.k.a. no need to check the guest list, I am the guest list, nigga. I played Ice Cube Stunt doubling straight out of Compton. Don't fucking touch me, nigga. Yo, Nate, shoot this nigga sunglasses on something before I get agitated. A.k.a. CC Dab Bathia, a.k.a. get into this shmoney and this schmunk. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. I got all four of my kids' houses on the same block. So when they go away to college, they got somewhere to come home to that doesn't interrupt me and my wife walking around butt nilsy. You know why? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Bitch Smack Biombo. A.k.a. Diego Maradona. A.k.a. Dick in your baby Matumbo. You don't come with this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. You know what I'm saying? AKA David Trisdale, pow pow, nigga, take that for Jada. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna finesse this pick. We're gonna do something, and we got that snake long back nigga out of here. You know what I'm saying? Fuck him.
That's right.
Go to Europe, nigga. Go back to where you came from. Now I'm turning to MAGA nigga. Go back to your country. Go back to your country, Latvia. You know what I'm saying? AKA Burl Santana, so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. But it don't matter because it was a CLA. It wasn't even a real C class. Nigga, I don't care. AKA the Dominican Dada Dykeman Daddy, AKA swipe my motherfucking cardigan. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your management when you come up here and ask for quick selfies and ask me how Heather the kids is doing. Steven, you like a little fucking C-Town cashier job, Michael?
Here we go on this.
Yeah. Put the fucking shot wipes in the bag and keep it fucking moving, bro. You know what I'm saying? And I got 12 items in the express lane, nigga. Suck my dick. I got a TV show. Fuck out of here, nigga. You know me. You know what I'm saying? Fuck that. AKA, tu favorito, mami, Romeo Santos. I'm so nasty. Let me find out. I perform Lingus on your titi on stage while your kids watch, nigga. I'm nasty. I got Chelsea boots on, nigga. I'll step on your balls with my Chelsea boots. I don't care. Fuck out of here. It's all about energy, nigga. AKA Light Now Touchy. Hello? Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that your broke ass think I find. You know what I'm saying? So get the fuck up out of here, niggas. We buy shit by the pound now. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Brady, you could come on balls more deflated than Bobby Crafts, nigga. The Shower Table Boys in the building. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? AKA Phil the Ass Tyson. I want to exploit your cosmos more consensually. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? AKA Lil Snoozy Vert, first nigga to tap on live, been doing it. You know what I'm saying? AKA Final Investi, MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? AKA Zeno Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah, nigga. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying?
The flagship one.
The flagship or Dykeman, you know what I'm saying? And we fuck around, turn the corner, get our nails done at Dykeman, you know what I'm saying? Nail lounge, you know what I mean? Get your feet rubbed, you know what I'm saying? By a mommy. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston.
Don't.
My hands are gifted. So gifted, in fact, I've started building low-income housing across the nation completely out of Oreos. This foolish broad wants to paint me as a fool, but I know what I do. I'm a neurosurgeon. There's nobody smarter than me. I'm the wisest. Candy, get the strap. Eliminate this thought here. That's right. Hold that. You know what I'm saying? Hold that. And this one's for my... Yeah. Give him another one in the dump. Yeah. That's right. I'm leaving the body right there. I don't even care. I'm not putting it in the wood chipper. AKA, open your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is. It's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA it's Lucius lying ass nigga, man. Listen, man, I have not the slightest idea of what firearm you are talking about, officer man. Pal, there's a pistol on your lap. I see it in plain view. Fuck that, man. Come and get me, man. Fuck out of here. AKA Baby New for 2 for 5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown shut the car down. You know what I'm saying? Got your DD bagging up butt nilsy. AKA live from the front of Modell's on Bruckner in a Mark Teixeira t-shirt. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your DD is talking and toxic love. Don't let me live. You know what I'm saying? AKA I met Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail. And yo, listen, man, I always tell you niggas this shit every week, bro. You know what I'm saying? There's no more rock stars left. They're all dead. There's only 2 left. You know what I'm saying? We surpassed the 27 club, nigga. And I am one of those. The plantain sipping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. Selling bootleg Bodega Boys merch cause I'm broke. You know what I'm saying? AKA chilled at the crib off edibles, balancing his portfolio with moderate risk investments. It's Barbello's Infinite.
For 3.
Swish, what a solid investment in a pharmaceutical company. Did not see that coming. AKA, if you see me a target higher than a Jamaican man about to jump off a ladder onto a big gal, spraying air freshener to make sure it smells like fresh
Big
linen.
body girl.
You know what I'm saying? Big body girl. Or push me like a motherfucker earth sign man when they got me react erratically. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up to your kid's party after it's over. And for the grand finale, I will urinate on myself. You're not getting your deposit back, sucker. I'm out of here. I love the PT Cruiser running. I'm ghost.
Someone grab that clown.
I'm out of here. Pew. AKA some fake link to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's off Gain and Champagne Cola, nigga. I don't give a fuck no more. You know what I'm saying? I'm just putting shit together, nigga. I'm call me the chemist. AKA Hasan, tírame la pita, coño. Oye, que lo que es llegar el flow, coño. Llegó el hijito de FIFA, lo más lindo que salió de Mouse City, coño, después de Tontito. Si tú no andas montado y con la pita dura, ni me hables, fucking lambón. Le llegaste. Estoy a prueba de chapi, busca tu link por el lado de Xenia. No me joda. You know what I'm saying? Shout out a la casa Showtime. Shout out a casa. Shout out a Los Smith, you know what I'm saying? Que estaban 6 días este fin de semana. Tú sabes qué es lo que es. Loco, si tú no tienes cuarto, quédate en tu casa con tu gato y tu perro, loco. Y lambiéndose los granos. Shout out DJ Hasan, enseña que pone la nota. Shout out Víctor, el champú, el que tiene el pelo más lindo del mundo. Shout out Desus, you know what I'm saying? El timón del vehículo. You know what I'm saying? We out here doing the big things. You know what I'm saying? Víctor es el timón del vehículo. Shout out Basti, shout out Jubilee, shout out Dímelo, shout out Boquete, el capitán. Y shout out mi presidente Pío, la secretaria de defensa, activo con el cañón presente. Avísame que lo fusilo. Me quité ya.
You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
Number show late night. Still coming to you live all the summer Monday. Not live, but live to say. Monday and Thursday, 11 p.m. only on Showtime.
You know what I'm saying?
Still got the podcast, most dangerous podcast in the world. Shout out to Cash Out. Shout out to the Jam Studios at Jamroom and Milk Studios. You know what it is. And what else we got? Heck out bodegahive.com. We still got live tour dates.
You know what I'm saying?
Still got tickets very available.
Miami, Dallas, Houston.
Texas was selling slow in the beginning.
Popping.
Now the Texas tickets are moving. So don't miss out on that.
You know
Houston. You know what I'm saying? Maybe we might bring out Megan Thee Stallion.
Oh, shit. You never know. You know what I'm saying?
What else we got? We got, it's not a St. Jude's it's not a St. Jude's charity. But if you would like to sponsor any of Mero's kids to do chores this weekend.
That's right.
Just give Mero money.
Holla at your boy, PayPal.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
The kids ain't gonna do nothing but just send the money anyway.
Fuck the PayPal, nigga. We doing Cash App. Fuck that.
It's Cash App only over here because Cash App don't snitch. Episode 160. Shout out to the gang. We out. Peace.